Grand Solaire 67-story skyscraper is the tallest building in Pattaya. It offers views of the entire city and ocean, including Jomtien Beach, Pattaya Beach, and Koh Lan. The enclosed resort with a wide range of civic amenities includes 2.431 luxury apartments, in either 1, 2, or 3-bedroomed layout. Skyscraper in Pattaya, with the most luxurious 5-star apartments, can become your new home, or a great investment and value for money. Will you take this opportunity? This investment is at your fingertips. The S.L.R construction team have been focusing on the interior of the main tower in the last few months to bring the work up with the exterior skeleton.